The last few years, my lilac trees have developed a fuzz. The fuzz appears after the heat and humidity arrive. Okay, we're going to keep that in mind. It does not seem to affect the spring bloom, but it makes the trees look sickly and bad all summer. What is the fuzz on my lilac trees and how can I get rid of it? And this is James in Smithville. Okay. All right, Joel, so let's go back because we know you know a little something about lilac trees.
Yeah,
But here's the deal. Fuzz after heat and humidity. So what's the fuzz?
Only possibly be powdery mildew.
Can only be powdery mildew, right? Mm-hmm. All right. So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, you know, you need to spray a fungicide, but fungicides are preventative. So you know you've had this problem, and we had a wet summer, so the problem's going to be even worse. So you're going to have to put start spraying fungicide on it every week to 10 days throughout the growing season to keep that off of there. Now, my mom loves lilac trees, and so she had a lilac, and it had that on there, but she did try to keep it sprayed as best she could. But it's not going to kill it. It can make it look sick. But I would treat the powdery mildew because you want your lilac to be as healthy as possible, because what you want to do is that reduces the amount of chlorophyll that the tree can make, so it can produce good flowers for the next year. So that's the best reason. When she did not treat hers, she did not get as many nice blooms the following year. So that's why you want to treat it, to keep the chlorophyll going so you get a lot of blooms the following year.
And you need good air circulation.
Oh, yes, too. Yeah, pruning it. Around here, the lilacs seem to be shrubby, and there are certain varieties that do better in the south. Now, in northern climates, they're huge trees and gorgeous, large. I mean, some of the blooms can be 12 inches tall.
How about that?
I mean, they are beautiful. But here in the south, it's just a little hot for it.
Humid.
So there's different varieties that do better down here, and just look for those varieties that'll do better here. But you're going to have to keep up with the powdery mildew. It's going to happen.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.